So cos theta is equal to 2 by 3. Find sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. By 2 tan theta. So cos theta is 3 by 5. So what is cos? Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Antena? So right angle triangle A, B, C. So according to the right angle triangle, cos will be BC by AC. So in the place of BC, we'll write 3. In the place of AC, you will write 5. Okay, now? So AB we don't know. So we'll find the AB using the Pythagoras condition. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC is 5. So we'll write 5 square. AB is, we don't know AB. AB square, BC, 3 square. 5 square is 25. AB, 3 square is 9. So we are moving 9 outside. So AB is equal to 25 minus 9. So AB equal to, that is AB square, equal to 16. So AB is equal to 4. 4 square, that is 4 fours are 16. So you are getting 4 ma. Then sine. First one is find the value of sine A, that is sine theta minus cos theta by 2 tan theta. So what is sine? Sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. So sine theta can be written in the form of AB is equal to 4, AC is 5. And again tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side, that is AB by BC. So what is AB? 4. BC is 3. So now substitute those values.
Cos theta.
Cos theta already ichchadu kada question lo. Question lo undi kada. So sin theta minus cos theta by 2 tan theta. This is our question, right? So what is sin? Sin is 4 by 5. We'll write 4 by 5. Cos, what is cos? Cos is
3 by 5.
3 by 5. By 2 tan theta. Tan is again 4 by 3.
4 by 3.
So denominators are same. 4 minus 3 by 2 4s are 8 by 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 by 5 by 8 by 3. So now I can write this as 1 by 5 into 3 by 8. Reciprocal of the denominator. So answer you're getting is 1 into 3 is 3. 8 5s are 4. Okay now?
Yes.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
అయిపోతే చెప్పండి అమ్మా.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Cos A plus B equal to 1 by 2. Cos A is equal to root 3 by 2. The question is find B. So given what is given in this, cos A plus B equal to 1 by 2. I'll change it to where you're going to get 1 by 2 in cos, ma?
Cos 60, sir.
So I'm cancelling cos. So A plus B equal to 60 degrees. So already cos A ichchadu vaadu. Avuna? What is cos A?
30 degrees.
Root 3 by 2. So cos A is equal to cos
30.
30 degrees. So I'll cancel cos A equal to 30 degrees. I'll consider this as first equation. Substituting in 1. So what is 1? A plus B equal to 60 degrees. So A is 30. Then B equal to 60. So B equal to 60 minus 30. So B is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, now?
Yes,
So
sir.
A is 30 and B is equal to 30. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So last question for the day, అమ్మా. కాపీ చేసుకున్నాక చెప్పండి.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Tan theta plus cot theta equal to 2. Find tan square theta plus cot square theta. Okay. So given is tan theta plus cot theta equal to 2. Squaring on both sides. Then tan theta plus cot theta whole square equal to 2 square. Then a plus b whole square formula we have to use in this case. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So tan theta whole square plus 2 tan theta into cot theta plus cot theta whole square is equal to 2 square is 4. Tan theta whole square is nothing but tan square theta plus 2 tan theta cot theta plus cot square theta equal to 4. So always remember, when you multiply tan into cot, you will get 1. How the value will arrive is sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. So you're cancelling sin and sin, cos and cos. So you're getting 1. So instead of this, right, next step we can write as 1 tan square theta plus 2 into 1 plus cot square theta equal to 4. So tan square theta 2 into 1 is 2 plus cot square theta equal to 4. I'm moving this 2 outside, then tan square theta plus cot square theta equal to 4 minus 2. So answer is tan square theta plus cot square theta equal to 2. Okay, now so answer is 2. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.